In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your services in HoneyBook. This platform is a fantastic tool for managing your business operations, and setting up your services correctly is an essential step in streamlining your workflow. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. To get started, head over to the Home section in HoneyBook. Here, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the option marked as New. Click on New, and from the drop-down menu, select Service. This feature allows you to create and organize the specific services you offer, making it easier to manage your bookings and client interactions. Once you've selected service, it's time to enter the details of your service. This part is crucial as it defines what your clients will see and what you'll be offering. First, you'll need to add a service name. This should be clear and descriptive. For example, wedding photography can be a service name if you're in the photography business. Next, move on to the description or notes section. This is where you can provide a more detailed explanation of what the service entails, any important notes or unique selling points you wish to highlight. The next component is the price or rate. You need to clearly state how much your service costs. This could be a flat fee or perhaps an hourly rate, depending on how you've structured your pricing model. Clarity here helps in avoiding any confusion or misunderstanding with your clients about what costs they might incur. Following the price, enter the duration of the service. This might be in terms of hours or sessions, depending on the nature of the service offered. Accurate duration detail is key to setting realistic client expectations and aligning with your scheduling capabilities. Moving on, you can assign a team member to the service, should you have colleagues or coworkers who specifically handle different tasks. This step is optional, but can be incredibly useful for ensuring that the right person is managing the right service, especially in collaborative or larger business environments. Finally, don't forget to save your new service. Once you've entered all the necessary details, simply click Save. This action confirms that your service is ready and can now be easily accessed when creating proposals, sending invoices, or setting up scheduler links through HoneyBook. By saving it, you've made this service part of your offering suite, ready for you to utilize and offer to clients at any moment. And there you have it. Your service is now all set up in HoneyBook. With the setup complete, you'll find it much easier to include this service in your client correspondence, making your workflow more efficient and professional. Thanks for tuning in, and if you need further tips on managing your services or any other HoneyBook features, make sure to check out our other guides.